home World Cup with their team in terrific form. The fans couldn't have asked for more. Hi friends, this is Firoz Mirza in front of the iconic Wankhede Stadium, giving you updates on the T20 World Cup, which is scheduled to commence tomorrow with India playing USA at this iconic venue. The venue which has given so much happiness, so many moments to the Indian cricket, so much happiness to the fans. The same venue, India will start their T20 campaign, T20 World Cup campaign on Saturday. They'll take on USA. India had a full practice session here at the Wankhede Stadium ahead of their opener against USA, and a lot of things can be had been seen during that practice session. Surya Kumar Yadav addressed the press conference before the start of the session, and he was jovial as usual. He was himself during the PC. A lot of questions were asked. The most important question was about it's being the home World Cup and he being the leader of the team and starting the campaign from Wankhede, home turf. So he was very optimistic of India's chances in the World Cup. In fact, if India managed to win this World Cup, they will become the first team not only to retain the title but also win this premier tournament on their home soil. Yes, friends, no team has ever managed to do this in the past 9 editions. Can India do that? Of course, they can do that. They have the firepower, they have enough batters, they have enough bowlers, they have enough all-rounders to make it possible. But for making it possible, they have to perform day in, day out, so that they can reach the Super 8 stage, and then they can make it to the quarterfinal. But apart from all this optimism and all these things, there are few areas of concerns for India a day before the start of the tournament, and the biggest of them is injury to pace bowling all-rounder Harshit Rana. Harshit Rana hobbled out of the India's warm-up match against South Africa a couple of days ago, and he is not in good shape. The India captain admitted that. He though officially didn't confirm that he is out of the tournament, but there is a high chance of the Delhi pacer being out of the tournament. It is said that Mohammad Siraj will soon join the squad and replace Harshit Rana. There is another area of concern, and that is injury to Washington Sundar. There is no update on that. But apart from that, Surya admitted this. Yeah, it is a big concern if Harshit is ruled out of the tournament. But he also said India have enough players to replace an injured Harshit, and they have enough firepower in them to make it possible this time. So basically, if we talk about India's chances in the tournament, and this has to start with their first game. Their first game is against a relatively low-profile side USA, and they have played them in the previous edition. They have beaten them in the past edition, but Surya Kumar Yadav has said that they are not taking any side lightly, and they will go full throttle against the USA side on Saturday when the World Cup begins. So hopefully Surya and co will put the right foot forward when India take the field at this iconic venue on Saturday. A win will bring them closer to their dream of retaining the title. Please stay with us. I'll keep updating you about the latest happening here. Thank you.